One of the regulations under Part 107 states that the pilot and any crew member must have the ability to see the drone during the operation. That can be found under the FAA's Part 107 regulations, specifically 107.31. Now, that can be a little confusing as you read through those regulations, and it's important to understand them in depth because the FAA wants you as the operator to have, again, the ability to see the drone. Now, why do I put emphasis on that? Because the FAA understands those drones are very useful because of their cameras, and so likely you're going to have a screen in front of you that allows you to see what the drone is seeing, the FPV or first-person view of that drone. So as you're staring or looking at that screen, you may, at times, look up and it may be difficult to find where exactly is that aircraft at, and it may have gone too far for you to actually visibly see it. Now, the FAA is concerned about that because in that time where maybe it's beyond what you can visually see, or otherwise known as beyond visual line of sight, you are unable to see any hazards such as aircraft or helicopters, or maneuver your aircraft in times of maybe low battery. So for that reason, the FAA requires you to always have the option or ability to see your drone throughout the flight. Now, there are ways around that, legal ways around that, called FAA 107 waivers and authorizations, which we'll talk about in the next video.